This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PlayStation 5 from turning off. First, let's start with some basic checks. Make sure all power cables are securely connected to both your console and the wall outlet. Sometimes, a loose connection is the simple culprit. Also, ensure your system software is fully updated, as outdated software can cause unexpected shutdowns. If possible, try a different power cord or a different power outlet to rule out faulty components. Overheating is a very common reason for your PlayStation 5 to power down unexpectedly. To prevent this, regularly clean any dust from the console's vents and fan using compressed air. Position your console in an open, well-ventilated space, ideally with at least 5 inches of clearance on all sides. Using a vertical stand can also significantly improve airflow, helping to keep your system cool and running smoothly during intense gaming sessions. If basic checks and ventilation don't solve the problem, rebuilding your console's database can often fix software glitches causing shutdowns. To do this, power off your PlayStation 5 completely. Then, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep, which will put your console into safe mode. From the Safe Mode menu, select Option 5, Clear Cache and Rebuild Database, to optimize your system's performance. As a final software troubleshooting step, you might consider a factory reset. Remember to back up all your game saves and important data beforehand, as this will erase everything on your console. If, after trying all these steps, your PlayStation 5 continues to turn off, it's best to contact PlayStation support. There might be an underlying hardware issue that requires professional repair or a warranty claim. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.